Alright, what's going on, y'all? I'm saying 300 KD back with another video. It's pretty cold here. It's like 8 in the morning. But yeah, today I got my what I'm doing today is installing my lights. Be changing out my LED lights. Changing these out right here, yes sir. Well, I say LED light. Well, putting LEDs on. I'm taking these off because that orange, I hate that. Then this red one back here, yeah, that gotta go. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do that. But make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot more miles coming, a lot more things to do. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Yes, sir. I was able to take out. Same thing. Push rivets here, and then another one down here. Then right up under here, so I can get it right there. There's a screw. Where'd it go? Yay big. Just pull out of here, right here. That's how you pull this back. Same thing. Take this one out. Right here. There's another one down there. Alright. That's how I should look when it's out. Difference. Yes, sir. Just like that. But first, make sure it's the right side. Right side, yep. Yep. Just plug it. It's gonna go in there just like that. You just plug everything back in. That's how you do it. I just plugged it up and hooked it up. I ain't bolted it back down though, but make sure it works. This side. This side. Yep. No, that one actually look brighter. But nah. Yep. And after you do that, you drill the bolt. It's right up in there. You just put the 3 push rivets back in. One, and 2, and the 3rd one's down there. That's how you do the back one. Yes, sir. No, she's dirty. She's going for a wash later today. Yep. Now I'll show you how to do the front. So I already got to sit up, turn the wheel. Just get up in there, turn the wheel like that. So you can really get up in here. Then you just gonna unscrew, we'll pop this one right here off. Then right up under here is a little bolt. I'll show you. See there, you take them off. Then this one right here. Ooh, the light right there. Sorry. That right there. Right up. Merge it out. Well, except for the lights, gotta do the lights next. Tail lights. But the LED side markers. Yes, they look good. It didn't take long. I'll put the link in the description of where I got them from. I don't know why it took me another day, is because I ain't had time the other day when I was doing it. Had someone had to be. Thought it was gonna take me 5 minutes, but it really took a little bit longer than that. But that's alright. I'm kind of light. Show y'all how I look in the daytime. Oh, see him? We'll do it. The other side just really shiny. The orange up here, and the red one's back back there. That's the LED lights. Thank y'all for watching the video. Made it this far, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Yes, sir.